Hello, I'm Jeremy Summers from Osborne Clarke, looking at the business crime enforcement landscape for the UK in 2018. By April, a new director of the SFO will be in place, following the retirement of David Green, and the year looks set to be a significant one for corporate criminal enforcement in general. The SFO has often recruited its directors externally, but this time there is a strong internal candidate in Alan Milford, the SFO's General Counsel, who is viewed by many as a firm prosecutor and the likely successor to Mr Green. Whoever takes over the role will inherit the task of driving forwards the government's 5-year anti-corruption strategy that was published in December 2017 and which we believe will see the trend of increased corporate criminal enforcement continuing. High on the list of priorities for the new director will be the charging decision in some of the most high-profile investigations in recent years, including G4S, GSK and Rolls-Royce. Other ongoing cases that will be followed with interest are the Barclays Qatari prosecution and the appeal in the ENRC litigation. The Court of Appeal decision in that case may itself go to the Supreme Court, but in any event is likely to have a significant impact on the way all future corporate investigations are both planned and implemented. The business crime team at Osborne Clarke will monitor all these cases throughout the year and provide updates through our Inside articles and in our quarterly newsletter. Away from the SFO, we also anticipate increased enforcement activity from HM Revenue and Customs that will see the first use of the corporate failure to prevent the facilitation of tax evasion offence, which came into force last year. As with the corporate offence in the Bribery Act, it's a strict liability offence, subject to being able to demonstrate that reasonable procedures were in place to prevent wrongdoing. HMRC has historically brought strategic but high-profile prosecutions to raise awareness and to act as a deterrent, and we feel that a similar approach could well be taken with this new offence. In the financial services sector, there are also clear signs of increased enforcement activity by the FCA, a theme we see continuing this year, with particular emphasis on insider dealing. Finally, we expect further discussion about extending the corporate failure to prevent offence to all forms of economic crime, including fraud and money laundering. With Brexit, though, set to dominate the political agenda in 2018, any new law may be delayed into 2019 or even beyond, but the intention does remain to make it easier to prosecute companies. Thank you for watching. If I or my colleagues can help you with a business crime related issue, please don't hesitate to contact me.